If you're thinking about buying a franchise in Canada, franchise agreements and franchise disclosure documents can look very, very intimidating, and that's because they are. Now, some franchisors might tell you that their agreements are non-negotiable, but as the president of one of Canada's largest franchise companies once told me, you don't ask, you don't get. So here's a few points to keep in mind when negotiating for a franchise. First, make sure you clarify the costs to construct and develop the premises for your business. All costs are specified in the franchisor's disclosure document, but don't forget to find out who pays in the event of a cost overrun. Secondly, franchisors normally want you to purchase products and supplies from their designated and approved suppliers. But what if there's an interruption in supply, or you can buy the same products elsewhere for less money? Perhaps you can negotiate alternative suppliers. Normally, you'll be asked to give a personal guarantee, but sometimes franchisors will agree to put a cap on that guarantee, thereby limiting your personal liability. And if you're dealing with a US-based franchisor, the agreement might not have considered the difference between the Canadian and the US dollar, and it might not be adapted for Canadian law. In particular, if the agreement doesn't address Canadian withholdings tax payable on royalties, it could cost you a lot of money unnecessarily. Make sure you bring this up during negotiations because it's an easy matter to resolve. These are only a few of the issues that you should consider when buying a franchise. Just remember, be strategic in what you ask for.